My video guide will provide you with instructions on how to effectively remove the ransomware called Hhwq. Hhwq is a new ransomware that belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. So, before the ransomware attack, you are able to open the files without complications, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. Regretfully, because of certain vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be easily injected into the device. Then, after people restart their computers or sign out and sign in again, they soon realize that something really bad has occurred with their files and that they cannot use their data anymore. This Hhwq ransomware encrypts these files. And it is called Hhwq because it adds a special Hhwq extension to the files after they get encrypted. So you notice this dramatic change. You try to open the specific file and you get the message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery, but there is no guarantee that your data would be restored if you pay the ransom. So you should not pay that ransom. We recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately with a Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and then start carefully researching your system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and eliminate all other threats that could possibly remain on the system, including this Hhwq ransomware. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is crucial for proper detection of any malware. So, wait until the anti-malware database is successfully updated, and then you will need to start scanning your system with Combo Cleaner. After the anti-malware database of the program gets successfully updated, the software Combo Cleaner begins scanning and researching your computer. Then the scanning will take several minutes. I would say the scanning duration depends on various factors. And then while the scanning is taking place, please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is a part of the premium license only. So at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know the locations of these threats. I recommend that you upgrade to premium. This is the best solution to keep your data always protected.